Well, things certainly have changed in the past few weeks, and you might be wondering if this is a good time to start that food business dream of yours, and what all of the current events going on with the coronavirus, how that may be impacting your future plans for your packaged food business. Hey there, I'm Sari Kimbell. I am the creator of Food Business Success, and I've helped hundreds of packaged food entrepreneurs start and grow their business, getting them into farmers markets, onto store shelves, as well as online retail shelves. I wanted to offer a couple of thoughts that have been really helpful for me and my clients. I sent this email out on Monday after many things have happened around events being canceled. I had to cancel a farmer's market, indoor farmer's market, as well as, just the uncertainty of what the future is going to hold. So I wanted to just share some of these thoughts with you. So the first one that I found very helpful is that this is temporary. Things will change, and I know that it may get a little bit worse. It may get worse before it gets better, but this will change, and this is temporary. So it's easy to get locked up into this is the way it's always going to be, and that's just not the case. So I find that that thought is really helpful. Now that said, if you are at home, working from home, or a lot of restaurants and bars have been closed throughout the United States, forcing people into temporary layoffs. So if you find yourself in a situation where you are at home and you have more time on your hands, then this is a great time to use that energy to learn, to grow, and to actually further your business and start that dream. Things will return to a new normal, whatever that looks like. And the great news is people need to continue to eat, right? The grocery stores are staying open, and people are going to want access. They need access to great food. We know that home cooking will rise during this time, so it's probably actually a great opportunity. And so I think that there are opportunities both in things are going to come out of this that are great opportunities. There will be positive outcomes and benefits that happen. People are perhaps going to be more willing to order food online, which we have seen in trends before that that was definitely much lower than other types of online ordering. So food deliveries and things like that are going to definitely go up. I also think that people are going to want to know more about where their food comes from and be able to meet the makers behind those products. So I know it can be discouraging and you're wondering if this is the right time, but in my opinion, it is time to double down on your dream. Use this time that you all of a sudden have excess of time. Funnel your anxiety, your fear into creating positive outcomes in your life. So start that business or fortify the current business that you have. Get to online learning, and I'm going to get to that here in just a minute. But there are so many great resources online that you can do from home that will help you evolve and help you create the business that you are dreaming about. So seize this opportunity. I do think the thought that great things are going to come out of this, new inventions. Many businesses in past recessions actually come out of recessions, out of new ideas being created, new solutions. And so you can be part of the solution. I also think focusing on the solution, how you can be a part of it, how you can be creating and not just consuming is so important. So use this time well. It is temporary, but you do get this kind of interesting forced reprieve where you can spend some time on you, on your development, and on your business development. So as part of all of this, I wanted to offer some special discounts on my online courses through Food Business Success, and I will put the links below. You can also pick up my free business startup checklist in the links below. But I am offering 30% off all of my courses and 25% off of the accelerator. So I would love for you to seize this opportunity. I can give you a lot of the how, but taking action is your next step. Deciding, committing, and then starting to take action. And I know that I have the tools and the resources to help you get your business off the ground or to grow it. So give yourself this time to learn, to grow, seize the opportunity, and create something amazing so that when we do go back to our new normal, you are ready to come out of the gate and to launch or grow that packaged food business. The other thing I want to offer is this is a time when you need to fill your brain, fill your mind, fill up your emotions, your emotional tank with positivity. So do try to spend at least as much time as you are spending watching the news or negative social media, and fill it with positive words, fill it with positive ideas. And again, I think starting or growing, putting energy into your business dream is one great way. I have some amazing podcast resources that I absolutely love. And so I'll put a link to my resources page there as well. I also want to encourage you to join our private Facebook group, the Food Business Success Facebook group. I'll put a link below. And this is a great place to get on there and talk about what you're doing, ask for advice, and get your questions answered and really support each other through this. We will absolutely get through this. We're probably even going to come out better for it. So stay positive, get to work on your business. You can do hard things. I got you. Let's make your food business real.